This land in Grimes County, Texas looks like nothing special. Forests, ponds, cattle. But what is about to be built here will become the most valuable piece of real estate on Earth. This is Terafab, a 100 million square foot semiconductor factory jointly built by Tesla and SpaceX. So large that 6 of them could fit inside Manhattan. The largest building ever planned in human history. Elon Musk described it as the largest and most valuable building on Earth by far. And it will be stunningly beautiful. Those are not empty words. The architecture alone looks like nothing built before. Inside and around Terafab you will find Tesla robovans gliding on an elevated roadway through the building. Tesla semis sharing the same road. And Tesla Cybercabs operating autonomously on the campus below. And walking the grounds are Tesla Optimus humanoid robots. Not as a concept. Not as a render. As the actual workforce operating the facility that makes the chips that power them. Robots building the chips that make robots smarter. Because what Terafab actually makes is this. Advanced AI semiconductor chips. Designed specifically for Tesla Optimus robots. Tesla Cybercab autonomous vehicles. And SpaceX orbital data centers computing AI directly from space. To understand why this factory had to be built, you first need to understand the scale of what already exists. This is Gigafactory Texas. One of the largest factories on Earth today. Terafab will be 6 times bigger. Because what Terafab actually makes is this. Advanced AI semiconductor chips. Designed specifically for Tesla Optimus robots. Tesla Cybercab autonomous vehicles. And SpaceX orbital data centers computing AI directly from space. And here is the detail that changes everything. Inside Terafab Optimus robots will operate the semiconductor manufacturing equipment. Robots producing the chips that make more advanced robots. A self-improving loop running continuously. Those chips will also power SpaceX satellites computing artificial intelligence directly in orbit. 1 terawatt of compute per year is the stated output goal. That number is almost impossible to comprehend. Here is why that number matters. Tesla, SpaceX and XAI combined demand for semiconductors is projected to exceed 1 terawatt of compute per year. That figure significantly exceeds the entire current global chip supply. Intel has been named as a manufacturing partner committing its most advanced 14A process node to the project. A vertically integrated facility combining logic chip fabrication, memory production, advanced packaging, and testing all under one roof. No other facility in human history combines all 4 of those manufacturing steps together. Normally they happen in separate buildings in different countries. Terafab puts them all under one roof for the first time. The facility sits on the Gibbons Creek site in Grimes County, Texas. A rural area of about 30,000 people roughly 75 miles northwest of Houston. Drone footage of the site surfaced for the first time on August 14, 2026. At full operation the facility will employ at least 3,000 people from Grimes and neighboring Brazos counties, making it the single largest employer in the region by a massive margin. An entirely new economic center for rural Texas. The campus architecture reflects Elon Musk's ambition, not a utilitarian factory, a landmark. Symmetrical wings, a reflecting pool plaza, angular architectural spires in the campus skyline, a building designed to inspire. This is what is happening right now at Fremont. Tesla is converting the old Model S and Model X assembly line into a Gen 3 Optimus production line. A second larger Optimus plant is under construction at Giga Texas targeting 10 million robots per year. Every Optimus robot that will work in every Tesla factory. Every Cybercab that will drive itself through every American city. Every SpaceX satellite computing AI in orbit. All of them run on chips that Terafab will produce. When you stand at the entrance of Terafab and look down its full 2.5-mile length, you are not looking at a factory. You are looking at the physical infrastructure of the future, built in one place, by one company, for one vision. And at the center of that vision is Optimus. Elon Musk has repeatedly called Optimus the most valuable product Tesla has ever made, with a long-term price between $20,000 and $30,000. Terafab is the factory that makes that possible. To understand the scale, consider this. The Pentagon fits inside Terafab. Apple Park fits inside Terafab. The Mall of America fits inside Terafab. China's New Century Global Center fits inside Terafab. All 4 combined are still smaller than Terafab. And Terafab does not stand alone. It is the missing piece connecting everything SpaceX is building here at Starbase. Starship launches the satellites. Terafab makes the chips that power them. One vision. 2 facilities. 1 Texas. When Terafab is fully operational it will be the most important building on Earth. Not because of its size, but because of what it produces. The intelligence that powers the robots, the vehicles, and the satellites that will define the next century. This is Terafab. The world has never seen anything like it, and it is being built right now. Subscribe to ZEVO so you never miss what happens next.